How to share any product on Alibaba.com app to Instagram directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any product on Alibaba to Instagram easy and fast. So first thing, go to Alibaba and choose the product that you want to share. For example, I'm going to choose this one right here. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Now if you want to share it, all what you have to do is click on the top corner right here on those three dots. Click on them like this and now choose share. Now click on Instagram and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.